Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a beautiful bag, and inside here are 2 Yankee candle votives. 2 of them in there. Love Yankee candles. I think this is not new information. I've got a baby powder and a lemongrass ginger. No, they weren't particularly deliberately chosen, other than the fact that they were the ones in my inspiration drawer. But I've got a soft blanket and a loves me not there. But although my candles aren't designed, or rather they're not chosen for the bag and the paper isn't chosen for the candles, you could theme them. And obviously we're coming up on Christmas, so you could put a couple of Christmassy scents in one with Christmassy paper. You could put somebody's favourite fragrances in there with their favourite colour. Why can't I get that ribbon on there? Oh no, the postman's just pulled up. So, but I love it. I love the shape of the bag. And actually you can make 2 from a sheet of design series paper because it's 6 by 12. I don't know if I'm going to go with that side. I actually think I'm going to go with this side. 6 by 12 inches, 15 by 30 centimetres. On the long side, score it at, please don't ring my doorbell, just drop the letter through the letterbox. Score it at 3 3/4, 5 3/4, 9.5 and 11.5 inches, which in metric is 9.5, 14.5, 24 and 29, and then turn it to one side and score it at 2 inches. So the finished dimensions, 2 by 4 by 3 3/4 inches, which in metric is 5 by 10 by 9.5 centimetres. Okay, let's burnish up these score lines. I'm doing blends again. Seriously, I said the other day that I go through these little phases where I just can't stop using one colouring medium. Apparently it's blends right now. That's okay. I don't mind. I love blends. Okay, so all scored. Here's the bottom. I'm going to cut up those lines and get rid of that triangle. Oh, he's heading this way, and that's a big box he's got. He's going to ring the doorbell. I believe I can pause this new camera. Let's pause. Nope, I can't pause. I'm going to have to stop. Okay, let's carry on. So, I hadn't done any cutting, so we're going to cut straight up all of these and get rid of this rectangle over here. And just miter a little bit off there. Okay. I do love Yankee candles. They're lovely in the sense that you can kind of get a fragrance that is perfect for anyone or any occasion. The citrusy ones are my favourite, although at the moment I've got one of the new Alpine ones, Alpine Mint. It smells just like a mint hot chocolate. Amazing, love it. Where's my cherry tape? Also love a bit of spiced orange at this time of year. I can't deny it. Spiced orange in October, amazing. Okay, so there we go. So that's the side. So I'm going to fold in 2 sides and the back, and I'm going to run some tape along here as well. Peel off the backing of that. Right, and then you put your candles in. They fit in there. So there is a little bit of wiggle room, but that's okay. That is the back. And then pinch. So push in with your fingers there and there, and pinch it closed. And you get this natural resistance on the side. Perfect. So I've got my scalloped spotty polka dot tulle ribbon. I need my tummy to lean that against. Let me get my clear block. I like the tulle ribbon, it's forgiving. Mostly. There we go. And it's just very pretty anyway. Isn't that lovely? Okay, oh Berry, no, don't come up here. She heard the doorbell and woke up. It's not like it was going to be for her. Hello, kitten. Oh. Right, free as a bird stamp set. I'm going to go for this big image. I love it. And you are helping, aren't you? Yes, you're determined to help. Let me find some Whisper White. Here's a nice big piece. Come on, off you get. No. A sister kitten. So onto there, and then some Memento ink. Oh, she's trying to get on the windowsill, and I've moved the stuff on my windowsill. She wants to get up there so she can shout at the birds. You'll hear her in a minute. She go. Oh no, she's not. She's going to come back on here. Okay. So that's on there. And then I have got my stitched nested labels dies. And they're all in the back, and I believe it's this biggest one. So they all, yes it is. Is it? Yes, that's the one. Oh, she's now trying to get in a box. Oh, you silly kitten. Okay. So that's on a magnetic platform. I'm trying to look at them as though they're straight. That, I don't know whether that is or not. I'm being a bit, because I've stamped them straight. There we go. What's wrong with my brain today? It exited the building. Oh, she's succeeded. I have a Kallax to my right hand side, and it's got some black and white floral boxes. And that's my one with envelopes, and she's managed to pull it out to about that much, and she's snuck in it. Random cat. Okay, so let's do some blends. So I've got pink on here. Do I want to do pink, or do I want to do something else? I think I want to do that, but actually, you know, there's a strange little piece of me that fancies doing pool party. I think I might do pool party. So I'm going to come in with the light first. Let me zoom in for you. Let's just have a bunch of blue birds. Why not? And I'm going to go where the shading is already. Oh, now she's back out again. Back around the edge again. And then finish off like that. So that's pool party done. We'll put that one away. What other colours? Yeah, I will go with this one. This one is Balmy Blue. That's my light, and again the dark. Have a little bit of dark. Finish off with the light. Isn't it simple? What other colours? Shall I? Well, there's another blue, but there's, what colour's this one? Mint macaron, I think. Yes, let's do mint macaron. Why not have a green bird? It's probably not dissimilar to a green finch-ish. Or maybe parrots. I don't know. Budgies. It's like a little row of budgies. You think you want to help, do you? I don't need your help, Berry. What other colour? Shall I do a purple one? Shall I do purple posy? Is that purple posy? I think that might, well, why not? We'll have a look and see what, I think it's going to be a bit bright, but It's a gorgeous colour, it's Purple Posy. That's the light. And the dark. These birds are brilliant if you haven't massively experimented with blends. They make it really easy. Those two in there, and I'm going to have a little bit of dark petal pink for the flowers. Colour's this one? Call Me Clover, I think it's a bit bright. Perhaps Light Mossy Meadow. Oh, she's in another box. I've got matching boxes on either side of the office. I've got 8 of them in total, so I've got 4 to my left in a 1x4 tall Kallax unit, and then I've got 4 to my left in a 2x4 8 square unit. I think she's determined to get into all of them. Cheeky. At least she's not parading across the desk anymore though. And then to finish, I'm going to go with some dark crumb cake. So I haven't particularly blended anything other than the birds. But I think that's probably enough. Okay, so let me zoom back out again. It's going the wrong way then. Huh. And then pop it on here. So I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back. I've gone across the middle because it will stick above. Lovely. So cute. All those pretty little pastel birds. I love them. They're divine. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.